always hard, but making loss is part of business. It is part of learning. Failure is not the end of everyone. It is part of learning. It is actually one tool that can help you grow. Because if you fail here, tomorrow you're going to be careful in choosing a breed, knowing that the other time I did this mistake and my birds did not, do well. So today's video, we are going to look at some of the conditions that can force you to lay off your birds before the time. Now, in this video, I want you to watch the video, and so that you know when to make a right decision in case things are going south, west, east, and you're not understanding. Now, you are welcome to YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Asperia, a very passionate farmer. I do poultry farming. I plant vegetables, banana, and coffee. So I'm here to give you help that has helped me thrive in the farming business. And so, like the video, subscribe if you have not yet, subscribe. Now, like any other business, poultry has challenges, and sometimes you're pushed to make a decision that you actually did not plan for. Sometimes you might, bring the birds and you want to excitedly have them lay eggs for 2 years, and but then things do not turn out to be positive like you anticipated, like you thought, and so you're forced to make a decision that is, against your own will. And so this video is to empower you in case you're somewhere full of fear. Now people are going to laugh at me, now my money, now this and this. It is always good, it is always easy, like it is always hard. But yes, failure comes in every other business. You fail today, you start again, and you rise. I've seen friends who told me that I can never do poultry farming, and when I asked them why, they were like, no, I think it's not my thing. I brought this time of birds and everything died, and they feel so disgusted and so discouraged, and they do not want to start again. Now wake up, this video is here to encourage you. Now, sometimes you go to the market and you buy a particular breed thinking that it's going to lay eggs as you wanted, but then when you reach on the farm, maybe because of feeding, maybe because of the transportation from wherever you're getting the birds from, maybe things will not do well. You find that during brooding you have lost a lot of birds, and these birds are expensive. Day one old is like 5,000 the time I bought mine, and so you find that you have lost 100 of them. That is a big blow, so you feel like my money is going. You start the farm with a lot of discouragement, and so you don't give them your best. The remaining part of the flock, you don't give them your best. They start growing, you put in money, but with fear, without determination and faith that you're actually going to make it. And so eventually the production does not again turn out to be good, and so you get discouraged, and you sell off the birds even at a very cheaper price, things like that. I know some people have gone through that, and it's really, really painful. I can relate. It's really painful. But then I want to encourage you that when you do your farm and you start to observe and you see things are not moving well, make a decision very fast. If you see that my birds, for example, maybe they have started laying, and you have 1,000 birds, and by week 28 the birds are not laying, probably 100 of them or 200 of them are laying, but 800 are not laying, and these birds are eating food on a daily basis. If you see by week 30 nothing good is coming out, make a decision as soon as possible, sell off these birds and start again, because you might want to push and push, yet you are putting in a lot of money. These birds can consume food, and you feel like going to steal the bank because every day they have to do. So once you sit down and analyze and see that where I'm going, I think I'm not going to make it, make a decision as soon as possible, pay off the birds, start again. Maybe you had a wrong breed. There is a person who called me, and she really was struggling. Her birds were 6 months and she had not seen any egg, and these birds were chewing food like machines. And so when I went to visit her farm and looked at the birds, they were actually a different breed, and this breed takes first 6 months without laying, and she had invested in everything knowing that they are layers and they will lay at that particular age. And so by week 26 they started dropping eggs. That was very late. She had borrowed money, fed the birds, and nothing serious was coming. And I told her, if you realize that you can't manage it more, just make a loss and sell these birds and start again. And that's what she did. She made a loss, but it was not a total loss. Sometimes when you push, you want to continue, you end up making a total loss, zero. You come out with zero. You find that even the remaining part of the flock that would help you to recover part of the money, you are selling them very cheaply, very discouragedly, and then you realize that some of them get sick and die, and you lose everything, instead of you at least pulling out something that could help you recover part of the money that you have been investing. It is always hard, but making loss is part of business. It is part of learning. Failure is not the end of everyone. It is part of learning. It is actually one tool that can help you grow. Because if you fail here, tomorrow you're going to be careful in choosing a breed, knowing that the other time I did this mistake and my birds did not, do well. So make a decision. If your birds, fall sick and you treat and you see they're not, make a decision and get them off the farm before you lose everything. Make that decision before you lose everything, and then recover part of the money and start again. So when to lay off the birds? If the production is crippled, it is not doing well, you have 1,000 birds but you're getting only 200 eggs, please make a decision, sell off these birds and start again. Start with a different breed and then do a good job, and then you can succeed. Winners never quit and quitters never win. If you quit, you can never win. If you win, you want to win, make sure you will never quit. So even if things do not go as planned, make a decision, sell off the birds and start right again. You're going to make it. So if you are not doing well in business, do not get discouraged. Poultry is still a very good business. Many people have thrived through it. Many people are driving big cars, are owning very big mansions because of poultry farming. You and I can still make it through poultry farming if we strategically do it with all our hearts. Regardless of the failures, the fears and everything, let's continue to thrive, let's continue to invest. And if things do not go as planned, make a decision quickly, get those birds off your face and then start again. I believe you found some courage into this video. If that is so, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment for us in the comment section, and if you have any questions, hit me. My number is in the bio. Go call me and we shall talk. You are welcome. Goodbye.